Short review of the, what is it called, the Kobalt 80 volt max. This is the second generation. I've been cutting for probably about I want to say about 15 minutes, 20 minutes now. The battery life is decent. For the 15-20 minutes I've been cutting so far, that's what it's showing. I still have three bars. Earlier it was showing 2 bars. I don't know why all of a sudden it's saying 3 bars now. But it's actually not a bad. It's not a bad lawnmower. This is the top of it. It will show. So yeah, see it shows the battery life up here, so it's pretty convenient. If you want to change the speed as far as the self-propel, it's right here. Turtle, I guess that's medium, and then rabbit speed. So far, turtle speed is good enough for me. You could also, this is what you use to propel it. I haven't actually tried it fast. Let's see. Pretty good speed. You really don't need to cut your grass that fast anyway. Excuse the bubble wrap, I haven't taken that off yet. What else about it? So far it's been cutting pretty well. You can see on this side it doesn't leave any stragglers or anything like that. Not that I'm seeing actually. It's pretty quiet. That's another thing about it. It's very quiet. It's actually probably more quiet than my vacuum, I'd have to say. I'll show you how it cuts. If I could do this with one hand. Let's see. It's not too bad. As you can see with the cut, it's a pretty good cut. It's actually probably better than the old lawnmower that I have. I have a Craftsman, push lawnmower. It's okay, I guess. But yeah, not too bad. Not too bad at all. I actually recommend it. If you guys get a chance, go to Lowe's. Only Lowe's sells it. It's worth it. It's $600 for it. Yeah, check it out.